problem, and the topic is problem solving strategy. And you have to draw a picture to solve the problem. Here is the problem. The problem says, Spencer Spider bought insects. 2/6 were centipedes, a half were millipedes, and 12 were flies. How many insects did he buy? And so we're going to work this problem out. In order to work this problem out, you have to understand what the problem is. Then you have to make your plan. After you've made your plan, then you're ready to solve. After you've solved, then you need to look back. So now, to understand, we understand that this problem is about Spencer Spider. It's about Spencer Spider. Okay? Now we need to plan. What are the facts? What do we know about Spencer Spider? We're told that Spencer Spider bought insects. So here we set up our drawing, and it's about Spencer Spider. 2/6 were centipedes. So he had 2/6 centipedes. 2/6. He had a half were millipedes. So we put down our fact. A half were millipedes. And 12 were flies. So we put 12 for flies. See that? 12. Now the next part is we are ready to solve. So we have our drawing. We notice we have 2/6. We have a half and we have 12. We don't know what 12 is. What part of the drawing is 12? What fraction does 12 represent? We don't know that. But the instruction says, how many insects did he buy? We know that we have 12 here, we have 2/6 here, we have a half here. So how many insects? We're ready to solve. Now, we're going to make these two having the same denominators. So we have 2/6, we have a half. We're going to put half. We're going to make find the same denominator as 6. What do we multiply 2 by to give you 6? What do we multiply 2 by to give you 6? Very good. 3. 3. Whatever we do to the denominator, we also do it to the numerator. So this becomes 1 times 3. Now, boys and girls, what is 2 times 3? Go ahead, Shakira. What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3? 6. Very good. Chris Love, what is 1 times 3? 1 multiplied by 3. Yes, Ashmir? 3. Good. So now we know that a half is the same as 3/6. And we're going to put a little 3/6 right there. Okay? So now we have the centipedes and the millipedes with the same denominator. So we know that we're supposed to separate our diagram into 6 parts. 6 parts. So we use our ruler, and we separate our diagram into 6 parts. Now we're ready to label. We're ready to label our diagram. So we know that 2/6 were centipedes. So we know that this is 1/6. So this is 1/6, 1/6, and so on. Okay? And we're told that 2/6 were centipedes. So we do like this. 1, 2. This is 2/6. This is 1. This is 2. So we go, and we know this is centipedes. So we have centipedes. We know that 3/6 were millipedes. So that's 1, 2, 3. So we know that 3/6. And we know this is millipedes. And we know that what is remained, or the remainder remainder would be this 12. So the flies is 12, so we know that 1/6 represents 12. Okay? So if 1/6 represents 12, we know that each 1/6 represents 12. So we can fill in our numbers. This is 12, 12, 12, 12. And the question says, how many insects did he buy? How many insects did he buy? Yes? How many insects did he buy? So in order, we go, what do you have? What answer do you have? How many insects did he buy? How many insects did he buy? We'll go 6 times 12. Because we have 12 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiplied by 12. And 6 times 12 gives you, yes, Matthew? No. What do you have, Ashmir? Okay, we can set it out like this. 12 by 6. What is 6 times 2? 12. Put your 1 and put down your 2. And 6 times 1 is? 6. Plus 1? 7. 7. So how many insects did he buy? The question, how many insects did he buy?
70.
So our answer is Spencer, Spider, bought 72 insects. Okay, boys and girls? That's it.